Welcome to 3785 Lower Roswell Road, your brand new construction dream home in the top rated Walton High School district in East Cobb. Priced at $1.79 million, the stunning residence offers 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, and over 5,600 square feet of luxurious space, all situated on nearly half an acre. Now, as you step inside, you're greeted by an inviting, open floor plan that seamlessly blends the living, dining, and kitchen areas, perfect for entertaining and everyday comfort. And to the left, you'll find a versatile bedroom and full bath, ideal as a guest suite, home office, or private retreat. Natural light floods the home throughout thanks to German-made double-hung window systems. These are designed for optimal sunlight and energy efficiency, and they're soundproof. Every detail has been thoughtfully crafted to create a bright, airy feel throughout. Across the foyer lies the spacious formal dining room with a custom minibar. It's ideal for entertaining guests. Nearby is a mudroom and a walk-in bathroom with access to the 3-car garage. Now, behind the kitchen is a formal dining room, but it also has the plumbing and fittings necessary to be converted into a butler's pantry, and they're hidden beneath the wooden bench that you see before you. Now, the chef's kitchen features top-of-the-line appliances, a walk-in pantry, and a spacious island, ideal for hosting or casual dining. And just off the kitchen there you see is a patio with a gas-lit fireplace. Now, at the heart of the home is the beautifully tiled fireplace that anchors the expansive living room and creates a spacious place that's both elegant and entertaining. Now, upstairs we have 5 additional bedrooms, including an oversized primary suite that's nothing short of a sanctuary. Now, just through the double doors from the primary suite, you have the luxurious 5-piece bath that includes a walk-in closet, stunning tile work, gold accents, dual vanities, soaking tub, and separate shower, all styled to perfection. There's also a large laundry room nearby with sink and storage, adding for convenience. And of course, you have the palatial walk-in closet with tons of space. And here we are in one of the aforementioned bedrooms. And the last 2 bedrooms you see here, there's a Jack and Jill bathroom that they share. As we step out into the main hallway, there's of course the panoramic view of the foyer and the living room below. Outside there's the aforementioned gas fireplace and patio, very large backyard, We're going to take you around the side of the house so you can see the 3-car garage from the outside. It has ample space for vehicles, hobbies, and extra storage. Now downstairs we have a fully finished lower level. It delivers massive amounts of entertainment space. There's also an additional bedroom with a full bath and walk-in closet. The area is ideal for hosting movie nights or creating private getaways. There's also a ton of space that hasn't been built out, so one can customize as they see fit. So what do you think? You ready to stop scrolling and start touring? This is Don and Valentine, your Atlanta Realtors, helping you find more than a home. We help you negotiate the best deal so we can welcome you home. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. There's plenty of real estate content, from home tours to industry know-how to tips for sellers and buyers. Bye.